Hey, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Another day here. I'm gonna work on the Mini Cooper. I'm gonna change the transmission fluid. And I'm gonna change the module back to the original. All right. So what I did is I unplugged the other one, which is up there, and then I plugged in the original one. So it's hanging there. I don't know if it needs to be bolted down for ground or not sure, but I turned it on and moved it, and it seemed to be a little better. And there's no errors, no nothing. So I'm going to change the transmission fluid also because I don't know when the last time it was changed. And I can't tell what level it's at either. You can't check it. So I'll see how much comes out, and I know how much has to go in. So let's go change it. All right, I'm back. We're under the car. And that's the drain plug. Not too good. Looks like it was chiseled off, so I'll probably get a new one at the dealer. Hopefully it'll be easier for me to take it off. So that's the drain. But check this out. To fill it, I gotta take out the battery and the battery tray. So when I take that out, I'll show you where the drain or where the fill plug is. All right, got the battery box out. And right there is the fill plug. Down right there. So I'm gonna take that out and then fill it up. All right, much better. I found another drain plug. One there and one there, but I think that's the fill. I'm not sure, but some came out of there and a lot's coming out of there, so that's good. So I actually found the right drain plug. I still think the top plug is the fill. Okay, so this is the fluid I got, STP CVT full synthetic transmission fluid. And on the back, right here, let's see, Mini Cooper Easy L799. So yep, it's the right fluid for it, so don't trip. I was gonna get the Mini Cooper fluid, but like I said, until I get this transmission situated, I'm gonna try this first. All right, guys. For the tires on the Fusion, I won't have to take that and have somebody scan that and clear that. You know, in a couple weeks, if I get Hey guys, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works, another day here. I'm going to continue working on the Mini Cooper. I'm going to wash it up today. I'm going to take a little break on this, but it does need a well needed wash. It's got spider webs, it's got kitties. More again. But yeah, this thing is filthy, so I'm gonna wash it up, vacuum it, and also Jack. What's up, Jack? What's up, dude? Man, look how filthy this thing is. You're silly, Morgan. Yep, so I'm gonna pull it out, wash it up. Oh, there is something that I did change. I put these fog lights on it. Let me know what you think. I like them. Here are the old ones. And there's Morgan again. Here are the old ones. I just had them laying around in the garage, had them for a while. Me and my buddy were just chilling in the garage, and we were like, hey, let's put on some fog lights. So, I don't know, let me know what you think. But yeah, she's filthy. You know, spider webs. Sporting the Bobby's Backyard. Might put one on the back. I'm liking the 12-inch on the back of the cars. Yeah, look at all them. Wheels pretty dirty. See how clean we can get those. Headlights are pretty gone. I'll do that in another video. For right now, I just want it washed up, vacuumed, just cleaned out. Alright, there she is, all cleaned up, washed. I was going to do the interior. I'm not going to do the interior. I forgot I have to take out the passenger seat, I think, to get to the airbag module. I did use that new scan tool, the Alltel, and it's telling me there's no signal to the module. So I got to check, see if there's power at the module, and it's in between the console underneath the carpet, I think on the passenger side. So like I said, I gotta take out the passenger seat, so that'll be a different video, and the interior cleaning. But check it out, it's pretty clean. Doesn't need a windshield, doesn't need this plastic piece, it's cracked all the way up, but paint job sucks. I'm still gonna paint it. Look over here, you can see white. Ain't happening. Now you can see that even better now. It's not happening. But she does look good wash though. Do admit. Wheels came out really clean. Especially this one. Remember that one? That one was filthy. Clean. Alright. That's going to end this Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. See you again. If you like, please subscribe, hit the like button, and catch you next time. Peace.